Meet the seagulls. They are in our country because they want to go to a 5-star hotel. We don't have any seas in our country, so they are just here to visit. They want to stay here before going in the warm countries.
Shut up, you know nothing about us.
Oh well, sorry. What do you guys do?
Well, this is what we do. We steal the food from the ducks.
Well, are you guys lying? You don't really look like seagulls. Say in the comments what do you think they are.
We found a very cute-looking crow. He is very brave.
Oh, well, goodbye.
Did we get scammed? We searched seagulls, not crows.
Well, he is cute.
We are leaving. This is horrible. You are not feeding us, but you are feeding the crows?
Well, sorry, everyone deserves food. Bye-bye.